So now I have the new workspace. So this is the way you will be having. So very first thing I will be doing, I will go here, I will open other perspective, I will go to SVN repository because I need to add first of all the new repository. So click here, new. This is the place where all your code will be uploaded and already checked in. So I am going to say finish. Click and finish. So after that in my Eclipse, now you can see that, okay. So this is a place where you can only view it, like, okay, whatever code has already been checked in here. So now this thing is already there. Now what I want to do in my project, I want to use it, right? So I will go, just want to be comfortable in web perspective because it's a web project. So I will say new, other, I will say Maven, I will say check out Maven project from SCM because I want to check out whatever I have, you want to check out whatever I have checked in already. So now SVN here, and then you just browse it. So browse means you will get that. This is a place, all the thing that is present inside you want to check out. Take it, next, say finish. So what it is doing, it is checking out all the projects for me. So that is the way you should be starting. Okay, it is done. So now I have my project checked out. You will see as soon as it checked out, you will see one asterisk comes here. That means it has been checked out now. Now what you need to do, let's say I want to see if it is running. So I know that, okay, there in this project there is some already, this is a running project. So index, I say right click, run as, run on server. So it is the first time it is asking me which server you want. I said I want for server 6, Tomcat. So it is not having this installation. So what I will do, I will go and select my where I have downloaded my Tomcat 6. So Tomcat 6 I downloaded here. So I will just simply give this directory structure. That's it. Say next. Say finish. So that's it, done. Now the server is stopped. So what I can do, if it is stopped, otherwise it should have already started, but it's not, then you can go ahead and once again start it. So you can see the server logs here. Yes, if it is successful, finally it will say yes, it is started. Once it started, once again you can say run on server, next, and finish. So what will happen that this index.jsp gets invoked. And this is your first Struts2 application. So that's the same application. So this is the way you should be able to see it. Make it run in your own environment. So this is the one thing I want you to start. Next thing is, suppose you want to add, let's say you did some modification here for your testing, or you added some new file. So what you should be doing, you should be simply, let's say I just added something. So as soon as you say Control S, you will see some changes here. Changes means yes, this file has changed. So what I should be doing, if I want to, yes, my work is done, I will simply go and say commit. Once I say commit, I need to provide the comment. That okay, for what purpose I change. It should be the detailed comment. I will say okay. So it is checked in. Now means this code I will also be able to see once I will check out the latest code. Now this is the code has been checked in. Now you can see the asterisk has gone. Now same way, let's say somebody else is there and they want to see that the latest, they want to take the latest. I will simply say that maybe update. So what will happen, that other person will also get this particular, because all three of you, all the team members will be using the same repository. So what we checked in, the other person should be able to see your changes. So other person will come and see update. from here directly update to head, he will be able to see that. So that's the basic functionality. Now after that you should be start adding your start modifying some things here. Let's say modify some as per your starts to learning, and modify here, add, see that okay, if it is going, you are able to understand, add more action classes, one more action class, modify the accordingly you need to modify a struts.xml or something. So just so this is way, and then update it, commit it. So that's in a nutshell, like okay, how to start.